What's up, people? This is G. Cool G's there. Shout out to my man Gino. Uh, Gave me some information, inspired me to make a video, and I want to, inspire you guys. He says my videos inspire him, and my prayer is to encourage some of you guys who are on the fence, who are nervous about stepping into unknown field. HVAC is hard work. No one wants to work that hard, but it is a rewarding financially a rewarding field if you have customers and know how to get customers and maintain customers. But I want to start out with a story about a gentleman who was on a cruise ship, and the ship was out in the ocean, and the cruise ship was anchored. And on this cruise ship, they was having a party. And for some reason, this lady fell overboard. She hit the water, splash. She is literally in the ocean. And people ran to the side of the boat, and they looked. They can see the lady, but no one would jump in the water to save this lady. Some time went by, and all of a sudden you heard splash, splash. There was a man inside the water. He swam over to the lady with his little dinghy, grabbed her, and lo and behold, this man saved the day. So the captain of the ship was so delighted with this hero. He wanted to reward him the next night with a dinner in his honor. And at the dinner, we called the captain's ball. And at the captain's ball, the captain had this dinner to reward this hero for jumping in the water and saving this lady's life. So the captain brought the man to the microphone in front of all these beautiful people. And the captain said, "Sir, would you like to share words that inspired you to jump into this water, into this deep ocean with all these sharks and fish and save this lady? What gave you the courage? Just come up to the microphone and say a few words." So the man had the microphone. He said, "I have one question. Who pushed me?" And in life, sometimes we have to be pushed. We have to be pushed into action. Some of you guys may get fired from your job. That's pushed. Some of you guys may get a girl pregnant. Now you're pushed. Now you need this money. So something in life may push you. An email that you may get from somebody may push you to do something to inspire you to go into business for yourself. Some of you guys need to be pushed, and it's okay. We all need to be pushed. We all need to be encouraged, and we all do need each other. That's why I'm here, because we do need each other. And I want to help some of you guys who need me. I want to help some of you guys who need me. I'm here to help. And my experiences and me sharing my experiences should help you, or my prayer is that it does help you to go out and do things a little bit better. Sometimes you don't want to go into the deep ocean. I get it. It's scary out there. And it's been times I've had no money. It's been times I've been homeless. It's been times I needed that one service call. That one service call. $85. Back then it was $69. Now it's $85. But I needed that one service call to get me through what I had to get through. But nowadays, things have really changed because I was pushed, or I jumped. Out of all the guys that was in my HVAC school, I think we started out with 60. And then by the time we graduated, let's say there was maybe 15, 20, if that. I'm the only one out of all those guys who's doing HVAC, and I didn't even intend to do HVAC. I just like business. That's what I like to do, business. And HVAC is a good business because it has a high profit margin. Let's be real. You guys is working because your reason. Think about why you work the job. If you work in a job, think about why you work in that job. I told you in a previous video the amount of money I made in 2 months on my job, I can literally make that in a day. And I've done it numerous of times, especially in the summer. Now in the wintertime, it's not as busy. However, if you're making 2 months paychecks in a single day in the summer, come on now, do the math. Winter is only like, what, 5 months? All right, guys, so I hope that inspires you. Hope that encouraged you to go out, jump out, explore the deep oceans. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. If you got 2 arms, 2 legs, and a brain, you'll be fine. With the right mentorship, the right leadership, the right uniform, the right branding, it's a lot of things that go into play with operating a business. Just because you can fix an air conditioner don't mean that you can run a business. It's two sides to every coin. So keep that in mind when you're out here doing this thing. But if you're on the side of a good technician, or if you're on the side of knowing how to work the computer. But if you can do a combination of both, that will make you better. But if you can do one skill, get a skill. If you can do one skill, a lot of other skills come out, but just try to master one skill and make that work for you, like it's working for me. And I'm not the sharpest knife in the drawer, and I'm not a guy who like to work all the time. So I am kind of lazy, but I do work, and I don't mind working. Because when it's time to be lazy, be lazy. When it's time to work, go work. If you're going to work, let's just work smart. All right, guys, till next time, this is G, Cool G. Hope that inspires you to start somewhere. Get the name, start. Jump in the water. Let's start this thing up. The summertime is leaving. I may have a little more time to post some more videos, but shout out to you guys. Respect to you guys and salute. Peace.